Man, what's your number, bud?
71-330-7945.
Job.
9 guys here.
Okay, keep it up.
How many guys do you have that are looking to play on this team?
Alright, so what do you want to miss?
Right. Well, yeah. I mean, I know I want to play, but I want to play the first, like, however many weeks you did.
Yeah, I did.
I'll be here going.
Five more. Two more.
That other kid was pretty good. I mean, he's quick.
By the way, I'm a
That's it. Okay, everybody's done with pitching, right? All right, who's the first pitcher in? All right, well, second pitch, you give him a break. Like this. TJ, switch it up. You're up to pitch. Just stay in the same order all the way through all the pitches. Right through. All the sections.
not the sharpest one, but that's
I can throw a ball, but I was working on that one. You're throwing it accurately, you hit your spots. Good for you.
How you doing, buddy?
fine.
That's what. Wow, huh? This guy.
Yeah.
Who brought this guy? These Irish Village bums out of here. I love the poorly managed Irish Village. Hey, why do you think you're here, buddy? Because I'm cute.